Happy Saturday, everybody. Still recording from Utah. And today's title is I Eat Like a Man. Ditch the stereotypes and eat for your health. Today, we're challenging gendered food beliefs and reclaiming your plate. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful. So let's talk about something I hear all the time. Wow, that's a lot of meat for a woman. Or, isn't that diet kind of extreme for someone your age? Well, do I have usually something to say about that? But have you ever been judged for what's on your plate? Me too. Last night we were at the event and there I am with a plate full of meat, and that's what inspired this video. I was eating like most of the men there, not the women. There's an outdated idea that women should nibble on salads while men get the steak. But here's the truth. Your biology, not society's expectations, should drive your food choices. Muscle mass, metabolic flexibility, insulin sensitivities, these matter more whether your meal looks feminine. Protein isn't man food, it's human food. And healthy fat, that's fuel, not something to fear. I eat animal-based because it's how I heal. Because it stabilizes my blood sugar. It supports my hormones, and it makes me feel strong, not stuffed or sluggish. This isn't about gender, it's about metabolic health. And if someone doesn't get that, smile and eat your ribeye. So here's today's nugget. You're not eating for approval, you're eating for resilience. I used to whisper my order at restaurants, a bunless burger, extra bacon, as if I owed somebody an apology, like I was putting somebody out. Not anymore, not on this trip. I ask for exactly what I need, and it doesn't really bother me anymore. I say it with confidence because this is how I keep off 90 pounds and reverse disease. So the next time someone raises your eyebrow at your plate, remember, their opinion won't fix your blood sugar, but your choices will. Share this if you've ever felt food shamed, and tag a fellow strong eater. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.